And this right here, it's up to you. Whether you would like this to update by itself, most of you will like that. Others will like to install the updates manually. What I usually suggest for all Apple products is to install them manually, and that's just in case something happens. Especially with iPhones, when they update by themselves, sometimes you might not even know an update happened. And the next day when you want to use it, maybe something stopped working because not all updates are 100%. So I'm gonna choose update manually. And here we go. This is a pretty good feature that we can pay using our Apple Watch, which is pretty cool. But if you don't have that set up already with your phone, most likely you're not gonna set it up with your watch either. So again, this is up to you. You can always set that up later in settings as well. Now that we're past that part, we can go on to continue in heart rate. Same deal with this, just continue on, and we can go on to install some apps. So install all. There's a few ways to view this. You can view them that way, or you can do a list view. I think the list view is a little bit more organized. The other way, it's a little bit more fun, but I'm just gonna keep it as list view for now. Right now, our Apple Watch is syncing. Now, while your Apple Watch is syncing for the very first time, you can get to know your watch. So we can tap right there. And here it's gonna let you know just a little bit about your Apple Watch. We can scroll down and we can see customize your watch. You can see down here, we can explore watch apps as well. There's actually a whole library that's just for Apple Watch apps. That's really neat. So let me just show you that for now. And here's some just to get you started. Those are usually the ones that you want to look at. Meanwhile, you will get this. So just tap on OK. And let's just go back into our watch. We're gonna click on done. And at this point in time, we can keep exploring our options, or you can just let it be and come back once this is done, because it's gonna alert you once the syncing is all done. So right now it's downloading all the apps that you want. But again, if you're really new to this, I do have a manual that shows you how to do everything and get the most out of your Apple Watch. So make sure to watch that manual. Right now, this is a setup video that shows you exactly that, how to set it up, how to get started with it. But the manual shows you just a little bit more. But hey, if you don't want to wait around, you can always go to get to know your watch and then just explore more stuff right here about getting started and everything about your Apple Watch. So just keep in mind that this could take a while. Anyways, we're just gonna turn on our phone to see what happened. We'll unlock it. And once you unlock it, it should tell you this. You should have got a notification. Plus, as long as you see this screen, you're good to go. So right now on this screen, it tells me that we're all done. We can click on OK. And right now on our iPhone, we can see that everything's done. We can do a lot of stuff from our iPhone itself, such as app view, dock, everything, brightness. We can do anything from our iPhone. However, from our Apple Watch, we can do stuff as well. But at this point in time, we are all done. If you go to your Apple Watch, just press the power. You're gonna see that everything's set up. At this point in time, it's only asking me to enter a passcode because I was not wearing it. As soon as you wear it, you don't have to put a passcode every time you wanna look at the screen. But anyways, this is it. This is the Apple Watch all set up for us. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.